So here we have a Go Aerial Buggy, vintage. Don't know how old it is. I couldn't find a date on this one. I bought this about a year ago, and I bought this one with about a year ago. So today we're going to see if they run and if they need a repair. It comes with the manual and the original box in. Go through the manual. And just the simple instructions. Not really much to see. This one is a 2-speed. No date on this one also. Hold on. No date. But it requires a 9-volt battery. And put that in. That should work. Extend the antenna, old fashioned. So I bought it about a year ago and intended to make a YouTube video about it, but I kept putting it off until now. Tip the floor. So it looks decent. All the foam and stuff stuck inside the tires. Yeah. Some batteries put in there now. So this one, I don't know if that takes some. Oh, okay, no, we're good. Yeah. Okay. On. Like this. Put the pin down. Alright, see if it works. On. There you go. Okay. Sounds like it's got a slipping gear somewhere, or a bad ground. Let's see. Because there's a one step higher than this one, but I was never able to find it. Yeah, that's weird. Hold on. So I put this case back on and see. appears to only work when you have everything turned. And I'm sure that's not how it was supposed to work back then. Oh. There you go. That's quite fast. Low gear? Let's try that. That was... Oh, that was high gear. There's a little knob back there that you can switch to low gear and high gear. That's high gear, and then this is low gear. There we go. Let's see if we can tell the difference. So that one's low, so that one's high. Not bad. So this one appears to work. Looks like you have to like calibrate it by doing that. Bringing it back to top and bottom. Put it on that side and see how like this. Let's try okay. Oh. Actually looks pretty good. Now we will switch on to the other one. Turn it off. Now, this one has a motor turning system, so that's why it's clinking every time, and it goes like that. Works pretty good. Let me know if you guys want to see a YouTube video on this one on the road, and I'll get that up for you guys. Now let's switch to the Camaro. This one here. So I'm just putting everything back away. That's it. And where's the music? That back there. Yeah, this is how I got it. I bought it off an older lady. She said her kid used it when he was younger, and she was selling them. I'll let you guys guess the price and see. Now, go back on the shelf. Until next time. Now, we start with the Camaro 27 Radio Shack. This one, I do believe, had a date. I'm trying to find it. Right here. It was 27 of 95. So that, pretty old. I think it would be 27, actually. 27 years old. No, almost 27 years old. So here it is. Has a long antenna, of course. Looks to be well used though. Stickers peeling off of it. Tires, they're decent. You look at them. Pretty dirty. Turning system. These wheels are loose. Like, they're not connected to a motor, so we're gonna find out if it drives. Put some batteries in it. I do believe this one takes. Yeah, it takes a 9-volt battery and 4 AA's. Because I was reading on the box and that's what it said. Yeah, that's really old. I hated these 9 volts. How you had to click them in like that and then put AA's. That's pretty annoying. Okay. Go, clip. Is it on and off? Yeah, right there. Yeah, appears to work, but it's front wheel drive. I have never seen that before. That is cool. I'll save the good stuff for last. You guys will like the other antique RC that I have. This is the remote, up and down and turn. But it doesn't seem to have a spring reload. That's weird. And this one was... does not say the date on this one either. It was date of manufacture of 84. So this is older than I thought. Hold on, let's see if it's circled. There you go. It says right there in the bottom. So date of manufacture in 84. Wow. It's older than I thought it was. Okay, 9-volt battery, where are you? Right here. Well, I had these ones sitting around because I have a metal detector and a pointer that I needed these for. So I bought quite a few of the 9-volt batteries. Alright. So don't think it's working. Yeah, see, it doesn't have a spring reload. Like, you have to manually center it. Which that would be manually centered, because quarter turn here, so here. Yeah. That was weird. There you go. I guess I had it off. Appears to work. Well, I guess when it doesn't have any weight on it, it does that. It sounds like it's stripping the gears, but I don't think it's doing that. Let me know if you guys want to see a teardown on this one. Because I'm pretty sure we'll have to either try to repair that little pinion gear in there, or try to find a similar size to it. But the steering doesn't work. Like, if it's all the way to the other side, it turns the opposite and spins like a skid steer. Yeah. But if you center it, they both move. Yeah. That is awesome. So I'll leave that one here. Just put it aside, and I'll take the batteries out of that one after. Let me know if you guys like this one. Then I'll do a teardown on it, and we'll try to fix that gear. So here I have 2 of SAS safety cords, and they are mini remote controls, RCs. They're sealed, haven't been opened. And guess in the comments how much I paid for this. You wouldn't believe how much I paid for it. Now I did buy one that was already open. These 2 are sealed, but let me know if you guys want me to open open one of them to show you guys, because I'll show you guys the open one, but the open one doesn't work. I tried it out. I was really excited about it, and it didn't work. This one here. It's pretty cool. And then the antenna comes out, and it screws on to the top to push down. It's really old. Yeah, you have to like push down and then screw, or else it won't even go in at all. It won't even try to go in. And I need something to take that off. Here, let's try this. Now I will admit that I did, yeah, I already told you guys that I did open it, because this was an unsealed one, so I was really excited to see if it worked, but sadly it didn't work. And that's why I know the antenna slides on top. And I did read the instructions, and it said it charges in 45 seconds. I know 45 seconds isn't long, but that battery must be very tiny. Yeah, I saved that. I taped it back on because I didn't want to lose it. Then there's the instructions, and I'll show you guys. It says 45 seconds to charge it. Right here, and then flip it around for you guys. Right here. 45 seconds to charge it. After the light turns off. Yeah, that's pretty long. That's not long at all, I mean. And then it just explains how to take it apart. Let you guys read that. You guys can pause it if to read it there. Put the instructions back because I just like to keep all the instructions. Sadly, that Camaro 27 didn't come with it. I was really excited to read the instructions on that one. And then here's this one. I kind of cheated to take it off, but I do believe you need a Phillip to take it off. Hold on. Right here. Yeah. So you gotta slide it off right here. Comes off with the battery tray. Unscrew it. Like that, and then you got to take that screw out so you can put the battery cap back on it. Here it is. Here is the little truck. It's very cool. You can see, like, whoever had it previously had it. He used it a few times because it's all corroded right there. But I hope these two aren't like that. But that brings me to my point that I was going to bring up. If this video does good, I will be putting a giveaway on one of these. All you have to do is basically see my video and like and comment and subscribe. That would be awesome. I'm really excited. I hope it does do good so I can give one of these to you guys, because that would be cool. Anyways, I will try to turn it on for you guys so you guys can see it. I do have a few batteries here. So, as follows, put the battery in. We're not kids if you're watching this. You understand how to put batteries in. So, yeah, literally just simple up, down, just forward, reverse, left to right. And here's the little charging port for the truck. And I'll show you guys how to put it on. You line up that little black nub right there, dark nub. You line it up with the little clip thing there, like that, and then clips in like that. And then it'll tell you when it's charging, and it says 45 seconds, and then the lights will turn off. I'll prove it to you guys so you guys will understand it. In the meantime, so if you guys really like this video, I will open this one, and this one will be the giveaway one. But I found these at a store. You guys will have to guess how much I paid for the one. Well, I paid for them individually. They weren't all in one pack. I went one time, and then I found one, and then me and my fiance went another time, and I found two of them, so that was pretty exciting. And the light's off already. But see, that was what I was trying to explain. The steering works, but not forward and reverse. And I'll take it off. Like, I thought it was that too. Like, when you take it off, or when you put it down, just the steering works. That's really sad. But this one could just be a collector's item. I will keep it in the original packet and stuff. It doesn't work. I know, it's very sad. Yeah, let me know if you guys like this video, and we'll do a teardown on this one also if you guys like this one. And the Aero buggy, that one is in pretty good condition. It worked, it went forward, it turned, and I know it sounded like it wasn't working properly, but the older ones have weird turning. They don't have servos like newer ones today. So let me know if you guys like this, and thanks for watching.